Want to set up a Facebook business page correctly in 2025? Here's how to do it. First, start by logging into your personal Facebook account. Facebook requires a personal profile to create and manage business pages, ensuring accountability and security. Once logged in, click the menu icon at the top right corner and select Page, or go directly to the Create a Page link. This will take you to the setup screen, where you'll begin building your page step by step. The first step is naming your page. Use your business name, brand name, or your own name if you're growing a personal brand. Then choose a category that best fits your business. You can select up to 3, such as education website, consulting agency, or online store. Choosing the right category helps Facebook understand your business and improves your visibility in search results. Next, add a short bio describing what your business does. Although this step is optional, it's highly recommended because it tells visitors who you are and what you offer at a glance. Once that's filled out, click Create Page to move to the next step. Now it's time to fill out your business information. Add your website, business email, and phone number. If you don't have a dedicated number, you can use Google Voice to get a free one. A professional email address that uses your website's domain, such as contact@skillleapai.com, adds credibility. If you have a physical store or office, include your address and business hours so customers can find you easily. Online-only businesses can skip the location field. Facebook also displays a page health progress bar that shows how complete your setup is. Try to fill out as much information as possible until the bar turns green, as complete pages tend to attract more visitors and perform better in searches. Next, personalize your page's visuals. Your profile picture is usually your logo, and your cover photo is a large banner image across the top of your page. The cover photo should visually represent your brand, whether that's your products, your services, or a tagline. If you don't have a design ready, go to canva.com and search for Facebook cover photo. Canva offers free customizable templates that are already sized perfectly for Facebook. You can add your colors, text, and logo with just a few clicks. Once uploaded, always preview your images on both desktop and mobile views, since most people browse Facebook from their phones. After uploading your visuals, Facebook allows you to add an action button beneath your cover photo. This button is one of the most important tools on your page. It drives people to take direct action. Click Add Action button and choose one that matches your goal. Options include Sign Up, Book Now, Shop Now, or Learn More. For example, if you offer online courses, Sign Up could link to your registration or free trial page. These buttons help convert visitors into customers and make your page more interactive. Facebook may then ask you to connect your WhatsApp account. Since Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp are all owned by Meta, linking them can help you manage customer communications across platforms. If you use WhatsApp for business inquiries, it's worth connecting. If not, you can skip it. You'll also be prompted to invite your Facebook friends to follow your new page. This can be a good way to gain some initial followers and engagement, though if you're targeting a new audience, you might choose to skip this step for now. Once your setup is complete, Facebook will offer a quick tutorial of your page layout. You can skip the walkthrough and explore on your own. Review your cover photo, profile picture, and action button to ensure everything looks cohesive. If your cover image doesn't align properly, you can easily reposition it or replace it later. Next, explore the Professional Dashboard, your central hub for managing and tracking your page's performance. To access it, click Manage on your page. The dashboard lets you view important metrics such as total followers, page reach, and engagement rates. You can also see insights about your audience, like age, location, and interests, once your page gains around 100 followers. The dashboard includes a page setup checklist that shows what information you've completed and what's missing. Finishing all steps helps improve visibility and makes your page appear more trustworthy to potential followers and customers. From your homepage, you can create posts, monitor engagement, and view updates all in one place. You can post text updates, photos, videos, reels, or even go live to connect with your audience in real time. Posting consistently is key to growing your audience organically. If you're unsure what to post, think about content that offers value: tips, tutorials, product showcases, or customer stories. Using tools like ChatGPT can help you come up with post ideas or write engaging captions that match your brand's tone. It's also worth visiting the Settings and Privacy tab to review your preferences. Most settings can stay as they are, but you might want to adjust your notifications so you aren't overwhelmed by alerts. Here, you can also link your Instagram account, assign roles to other admins, and manage permissions for people helping with your page. Once your page is ready, publish your first post. Start with a friendly welcome message that introduces your business and encourages people to follow you. After launch, consistency is the most important factor. Post regularly and engage with followers who comment or message you. Try to mix different types of content: videos, behind-the-scenes clips, educational posts, and promotional offers to keep things interesting. Facebook's algorithm favors active pages that post often and interact with their audience. You can also boost posts by spending a small budget to reach new people outside your follower list. This is a great way to get more visibility when starting out. As your page grows, keep refining your About section and visuals to stay current. Update your cover photo during promotions, events, or seasonal campaigns to keep your page fresh. Once you start gaining followers, you'll also begin seeing more detailed analytics about who's engaging with your content. These insights can help you adjust your strategy to target the right audience. Eventually, you may want to explore Facebook ads. Ads can help you reach larger, targeted audiences, drive more website traffic, or promote specific products. There are many free tutorials online that teach Facebook advertising step by step, from choosing objectives and targeting audiences to managing budgets and tracking results. If you combine consistent organic content with smart paid ads, your page can grow faster and generate real business results. In summary, creating a Facebook business page in 2025 is about more than just filling out forms. It's about building a polished and trustworthy online presence. From selecting the right visuals and crafting an engaging bio to posting regularly and analyzing performance, every step plays a role in your success. With persistence, creativity, and the help of free tools like Canva and ChatGPT, your Facebook business page can become a powerful marketing platform that connects you with new audiences, builds brand recognition, and helps your business grow in the digital space.